been 15 days since I installed my packaged bees, and this is the stage where things either start working or problems show up. I installed these bees on March 20th. Today is April 4th. So right now I should be seeing eggs, larvae, brood starting, population spreading. This is really important checkpoint. So I'm just doing a calm inspection today, not pulling every frame, just checking for signs that colony is moving forward. Right away, these bees look calm, which is always a good sign. They're not aggressive, they're not running, they're not settled in the hive. That tells me they're accepted the box and likely accepted the queen. Now I'm looking for brood. At day 15, I should be seeing eggs or larvae. Even if I don't see the queen, seeing brood tells me she's there. Smoke some of the hive out here. That's better. Have a look at that. This has a ton of eggs in it. So this is the third one I pulled out. Already covering up. This looks good. This looks good. There's larvae in there. This is the one that I was quite worried about. In actual fact, it's actually doing pretty good. Look at all that. This is a new. Oh, look at that. They're capping it with honey already. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that they're working on. That's brilliant. So 6, there's lots of worm, eggs, larvae, and brood. The pattern's beginning to look good. So we'll go to the next one in a second. Now I'm looking for brood. At day 15, I should see eggs or larvae. Even if I don't see the queen, seeing brood tells me she's there. And that's what matters. So that one had everything that I'm looking for. Another thing I'm checking is comb building. After about 2 weeks, you want to see frames being drawn out. All the new frames that I had in there, they've been combing them out. They've been drawing comb. That means the colony is growing and preparing for brood expansion. I'm also watching the population. At this stage, bees should be spreading across multiple frames, which they are in that first one, not just clustered in one spot. And that tells me the colony is developing. So this is day 15. After installing packaged bees, still early, but this is when things really start happening. I'll keep monitoring over the next few days to see if brood patterns develop. 4 hives, 2 flow hives, 2 Langstroths, and documenting everything as I learn. Hit the subscribe button and like this video. It'll really help me out.